In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your email list on Autopilot using Klaviyo, a powerful email marketing tool. This tutorial will guide you through the process of automating your list hygiene to maintain high engagement and deliverability. Managing an email list effectively is crucial for ensuring your emails land in the inbox and not the spam folder, and keeping your audience engaged is key to the success of your campaigns. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by identifying the subscribers who aren't engaging with your emails. Go ahead and log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the audience section, then select lists and segments. Click on create list segment, and when prompted, choose to create a segment. It's helpful to give this new segment a clear name, something like inactive subscribers, so you know exactly what it is at a glance. Now, it's time to set the conditions that define this segment. You'll want to identify those who've received at least 5 emails over the last 90 days but haven't opened or clicked any of them. In addition, make sure to include a condition that the email is not suppressed, so you capture the full range of inactive contacts. Once you've set these conditions, save the segment and you've completed the first step. Next, we'll create a re-engagement flow. This step is about giving your inactive subscribers a chance to reconnect with your content. Head over to the flow section and click on create flow. Choose create from scratch and name this new flow re-engagement campaign. Use the inactive subscribers segment as your trigger to start this flow. This means the flow will initiate whenever someone falls into that segment. Create a series of re-engagement emails. 2 to 3 should suffice over a period of 7 days. It's important to make your subject lines inviting and attention grabbing. Consider ones like "we miss you" or "still interested," and if needed, "your last chance to stay with us." These emails should be crafted to remind your subscribers why they initially engaged with your content and encourage them to reconnect. The final step is to automate the cleaning process. After the last email in your re-engagement flow, add a conditional split, a tool that sorts subscribers based on their engagement. If a subscriber opens or clicks on an email, they'll be moved to a re-engaged segment, which keeps them in your mailing list. On the other hand, if there's no interaction, you'll tag them as unengaged and move them to a suppression list. This list prevents future emails from being sent to them, ensuring that you focus your efforts on a more engaged audience. Maintaining a clean email list is an ongoing process. It's a good idea to schedule a regular cleanup every 3 to 6 months. Keep an eye on your open and click rates, and remove subscribers who continuously remain unengaged. This practice isn't just about pruning your list, but also about maximizing your marketing efforts' efficiency and success. With these steps, you'll keep your emails more relevant and impactful. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing.